Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today's story is called How to Talk in the Supermarket. You will hear a natural and fun conversation between two friends, Ellie and Sam. They go shopping together, and you will learn many useful phrases for everyday life. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please listen carefully and try to follow along. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Hey, Sam, do we have any milk left?
Maybe just a little. Why?
I was thinking of making pancakes tomorrow morning.
Oh, nice. Then we definitely need more milk.
Yeah, and maybe some fruit, like strawberries.
Sure. Let's make a list before we forget.
Okay, so we need milk, fruit, bread, and eggs.
Don't forget coffee.
Of course, you can't live without it.
True. Let's go to Green Valley Market. It's close and cheap.
Sounds good? Let's go. Wow, it's so bright and clean here.
Yeah, they remodeled it last month.
Oh, no wonder. It looks new.
Grab a basket or do you want a cart?
Let's get a cart. We might buy a lot today.
Good idea.
Wow, they already have Christmas decorations.
It's only November. They start earlier every year.
Yeah, it's kind of nice though. Makes me happy.
Me too. Okay, first stop, the produce section.
These apples look amazing. So shiny.
Yeah, but they're $2.99 per pound.
That's not too bad. Let's get some.
Okay. Do you want red ones or green ones?
Red. They look sweeter.
Got it. Anything else?
Oh, look. There are strawberries.
Oh yeah, but they're $5.99. That's a bit expensive.
True, but they look fresh. Maybe just one box.
Okay, one box it is.
I always get confused by pounds and ounces.
Yeah, it's tricky. I grew up using pounds, so I'm used to it.
Lucky you. I still think in grams.
Welcome to America.
I think we need chicken, right? For dinner tonight?
Yeah, I was thinking grilled chicken and salad.
Sounds healthy. Let's see. Drumsticks, thighs. Oh, chicken breast.
What's the price?
$4.29 per pound.
Not bad. Let's get about 2 pounds.
Sure. Do you want to cook or should I?
We can cook together.
Deal. But you wash the dishes.
Always.
Oh, look at that salmon. It looks so fresh.
Yeah, I love salmon. It's $9.99 a pound, though.
Ouch. Maybe next time.
Yeah, let's save some money today.
Okay, I think we're done here. Let's move to the dairy section.
Good plan.
Okay, milk is next. Which one should we get?
There are so many kinds. Whole, 2%, skim.
I usually drink 2%. It tastes lighter.
Yeah, I like that too. Let's get a half gallon.
Wait, check the expiration date.
Good idea. This one says November 15.
Perfect. That should be fine.
Do we need butter?
I think we still have some at home.
Great. Oh, cheese. You wanted to make sandwiches, right?
Yes, I almost forgot. Let's get some cheddar.
Block or sliced?
Sliced. I'm too lazy to cut it.
Honest answer.
Wow, so many frozen pizzas.
Yeah, frozen food is a lifesaver.
You say that because you hate cooking.
True, but come on, look at this. Pepperoni, cheese, veggie.
Veggie sounds nice. Should we get one?
Yeah, for movie night maybe.
Deal. Oh, and maybe some ice cream?
Of course. What flavor?
Vanilla or chocolate?
Let's do both. Life's short.
You're impossible. Okay, let's get some chips for the weekend.
Sure. I love this brand. Crunchy King.
Extra salty and crispy. That sounds dangerous.
The best kind of dangerous.
Okay, one bag only.
Fine. 2 small bags?
You're hopeless. Do we have enough detergent at home?
I think we're almost out.
Okay, let's get this one. It's on sale for $8.49.
Nice. Oh, look. Paper towels are also on sale.
Perfect timing. We just used the last one yesterday.
Let's grab 2 packs.
Good idea. Anything else?
Toothpaste, maybe.
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
Mint or whitening?
Whitening. I want a movie star smile.
You already have one.
Aw, you're sweet.
Hi there. Did you find everything you needed today?
Yes, thank you.
Great. Will you be paying together or separately?
Together, please.
Sure thing. Do you have a store card?
No, not yet. How do we get one?
You can sign up online or at the counter. It's free.
Oh, that's nice. We'll check later.
Okay. Your total is $42.80.
Here you go. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Just tap your card when you're ready. Perfect. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. Just one.
Here you go. Thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a good day. You too. That took longer than I thought.
Yeah, we got a little carried away.
But it was fun. And I think I used a lot of English today.
You did great. You even talked to the cashier by yourself.
I was nervous at first, but it felt easier after a while.
That's the best way to learn. Just keep talking.
Yeah. Next time, maybe I'll ask where the eggs are or something.
That's the spirit. Step by step.
Thanks for helping me today, Sam.
Anytime. But you owe me one coffee.
Deal. Let's stop by the cafe on the way home.
Perfect ending to a shopping day.
How was it? I hope you enjoyed this supermarket story and learned many useful expressions today. Try to remember them and use them when you go shopping next time. We are making more slow and clear English videos like this, so you can listen, shadow, and improve your English every day. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.